Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so you can act immediately. Sign into the Google account you will use and verify regional access. Once done, pick the certificate or course that matches your current skills and career goal. This alignment saves time later. Create a simple study folder with your ID, resume, and any prior course PDFs, and enroll right away so course deadlines and materials populate your dashboard. Make sure notifications are enabled to catch assignment windows. Now you move into the heavy lifting. Commit to the weekly rhythm and block 3 to 5 hours for focused study. Start each module by previewing objectives, then watch videos with 2x notes and complete embedded quizzes to test recall. Use hands-on labs and projects to convert theory into portfolio pieces and submit assignments ahead of deadlines to allow revisions. Once you finish a module, update your progress tracker and connect with peers for feedback and motivation. To finish, focus on the capstone or final exam. Allocate a block for uninterrupted work, run tests, then request peer review before submitting. After certification, download the badge and add it to LinkedIn and your resume so recruiters see it immediately. Note any recertification timelines. If technical issues arise, troubleshoot quickly. Clear cache, try incognito, or switch devices, and if that fails, contact support with error screenshots and timestamps to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.